To insert page numbers into a document, navigate up to the top toolbar and press Insert. Then navigate to the header and footer options and click on Page Number. This will give you a lot of different options on the positioning of your page numbers, whether you want them the top, the middle, the current cursor point, etc. You can also see there's lots of different templates here, so you can insert standard page numbers like this, and you can style them as you would do normal text. So we can go to our Home tab and then change the font, the sizing, etc. For more options for the footer, navigate up to the top where it says Header and Footer, click on this, and then go over to the left-hand side where it says Page Number. If you press Format Page Numbers, this gives you more options. So you can change the number format, you can have it in Roman numerals, commas, spaces, etc. You can choose to include the chapter page numbers, you can continue from the previous section, or you can start out your own personalised number. So for here, I've put in 12 just as an example. Once you're ready, press OK. Once you're finished, you can close the header and footer either by double-clicking anywhere else on the page or navigate to the top and press the Close Header and Footer button. If you don't like the style of footer that you've selected, you can change this. If you double-click into the footer options, navigate to Page Number, and then select the section that you want to affect, and here you can insert a different template. And again, you can still personalize this, change the font, etc. If you wish to remove the page number, you can navigate to Page Number options again and press the Remove Page Numbers button.